Welcome! Today I'll show you the easiest way to view the QR code for any Telegram channel updated for 2025. Whether you want to share your channel or invite others quickly, following these steps will get you there in seconds. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once the app is open, head straight to the channel whose QR code you want to view. You'll find your channels listed among your chats. Just tap on the one you need. Now that you're inside the channel chat, look at the top of the screen. Here, you'll see the channel's picture or name displayed prominently. Tap on this area. It will open the channel's profile page, where you can see more details about the channel. On the channel's profile page, keep an eye out for the QR icon. This icon is usually located near the top of the screen, often beside the channel's name or in the options menu. Tap the QR icon, and just like that, the unique QR code for your Telegram channel will appear. You can now share this QR code with anyone you want to invite to your channel. People can simply scan the code using their Telegram app, or even a regular QR code scanner, and they'll be directed straight to your channel. This is a fast, secure, and convenient way to grow your community or connect with your audience. Let's quickly recap the steps. Open the Telegram app. Go to the channel chat. Tap on the channel picture or name at the top. Tap the QR icon to view the code. That's all it takes. With these simple steps, you can access and share your Telegram channel's QR code anytime. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might need it.